Picture yourself wearing VR goggles to explore the Jurassic era. Guided by Tesla's Optimus Gen 2, an AI powered humanoid that acts as your virtual tour guide. A fully developed AGI tutor is on standby to answer all your questions about Earth's first legends, while a personalized AI app tracks your progress, giving you extra help in navigating through the tricky areas of the world of dinosaurs. Hello everyone, I'm Swaraj, and today I'm talking about the most fascinating topic of our era, that is AI. AI. We've been hearing this a lot lately. Today, let me walk you guys through what AI really is and how does it have the potential to enhance learning abilities in the near future. AI, short for artificial intelligence, is a branch of computer science focused on creating intelligent machines capable of performing tasks such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and much more that usually require human intelligence. In simpler terms, AI systems can mimic the way humans think, walk, and talk with the help of complex algorithms. Types of AI. AI can be categorized into three types: machine learning, deep learning, and AGI, or artificial general intelligence. Machine learning. Machine learning is the most popular type of AI where the system gets better over time as it processes more information, learns from insights, and then makes data driven decisions. For example, apps like Amazon recommend what to buy based on your search history. Similarly, platforms like Netflix and Prime also recommend what to watch based on your watch history. Deep learning. Beyond machine learning, there's also deep learning, a type of AI inspired by how the human brain works. It can mimic the way humans think, walk, and talk with the help of complex algorithms. I'm sure you all have watched many sci fi movies which have featured humanoid robots in them. For your information, humanoid robots are the robots that resemble human body in shape. AGI. Beyond deep learning, there's also AGI. It is a theoretical form of AI projected to surpass human intelligence in all domains. It is in its early stages, but many researchers predict that it will revolutionize industries throughout the world. AI in education. Imagine struggling with math equations. Platforms like Khan Academy can help you improve your math skills by giving you complex or easy sums based on what you have learned. AI is transforming education for students with disabilities. Apps like Microsoft Immersive Reader help students who are visually impaired by reading the text loudly. Similarly, platforms like Dragon Naturally Speaking help students who have hearing impairments by transcribing spoken language into text in real time. Khanmingo, Khan Academy's new AI-powered personalized tutor, provides step-by-step learning, feedback, and then prompts you to ask questions. It's like having a private tutor who knows your learning styles, not only the upsides. We should know the downsides of AI too. As Uncle Ben said to Spider-Man, with great power comes great responsibility. Using AI also raises ethical questions like job displacement. AI is taking over the jobs worldwide, which leads to mass unemployment, which in turn affects our economy. Ethical challenges. It can be difficult to instill moral and ethical values in AI systems, especially when it comes to decision making. Security risks. AI can be vulnerable to cyber attacks, which leads to data breaches and other security risks. Overdependency and laziness. We must not depend too much on AI as we might lose the ability to think critically. And we've all been hearing about the solar storms, which will destroy the whole technology. And overdependency might make us crippled. Malfunction. AI systems can malfunction, which leads to disturbances, chaos, loss, etc. To conclude with, I personally feel we should know the right balance. We should use AI to make ourselves better, not as a tool for our laziness. Let's embrace AI wisely. Thank you.